Rafael is a Category 2 hurricane, winds at 100 miles per hour. It's expected to move over Cuba later this afternoon and actually near major hurricane status. The water is very warm in the Caribbean, and with all the moisture and low wind shear, the elements are just conducive for this storm to strengthen. So it will move over Cuba this afternoon as a Category 2 storm and then work its way into the Gulf heading into Thursday. Winds still at 100 miles per hour. Notice that though the ocean is warm, of course, it's not nearly as warm as it is in the Caribbean. So that's going to help weaken this as it tracks across the central Gulf of Mexico through Thursday and Friday. And then I turned on a different contour. This is looking at wind shear. And so you can see that this will likely help to tear the storm apart and ultimately weaken it as it moves across the central Gulf of Mexico heading into the weekend. It looks like the track is going to take it further westward as that strong high pressure system steers it westward toward the coast of Louisiana or Texas, and actually that means we look a little bit drier through the weekend. Now I still think there's a chance of rain, but we're not looking at a widespread soaking, which we would actually have appreciated at this point. There will be some showers around through this afternoon. I think a lot of those end up south of the Birmingham area. And then through Thursday and Friday, it does not look like a washout at all. Just some more of those pesky showers that we saw yesterday. And then by the weekend, you see that they come up a little bit. Even into next week, we could see a little bit better rainfall through the middle of the week, which, like I said, we're wanting at this point. Steph's got more on your weekend forecast. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, and so overall, like Brylee mentioned, the weekend shouldn't be a washout with Rafael staying still down into the Gulf of Mexico. Going to go with mostly cloudy skies on Saturday. There may be some breaks in the clouds with just a few showers around. Certainly not a washout. Some rain possible on Sunday as we're a little more influenced by the threat of a frontal boundary getting a bit closer to us. If you are traveling, though, with the tide this weekend to Baton Rouge, that 6:30 kickoff, I would be on the safe side and bring a poncho. It looks like we could see about a 40% chance for some showers. Very humid, and temperatures expected to be in the 70s. Here's a look over our sky cams all across central Alabama, and you can see we've got a mostly cloudy sky with temperatures in the upper 60s. Birmingham at this hour right at 70 degrees, and so temperatures today close to 80. Here's a look at our planner through the day, and you'll notice we'll go with at least the chance for a few spotty showers around this morning. We've got some of those in the area already, so I would just take the umbrella with you. This afternoon we'll go with about a 40% chance for a shower where you are, maybe even a rumble of thunder, but it looks like most of the storms will likely stay a little bit closer to Auburn and Montgomery for this afternoon. I think some of us could get through the day without seeing much rain. Thursday and Friday, very limited chance for a few showers. A few showers on Saturday, maybe a little better chance though with that front getting closer to us on Sunday.